Hey there Charmers, it's your girl Suzanne, and today I'm bringing to you a full box look. It's going to be very fall inspired, as you can see. I'm going to show you how to create this look using all the products inside your box, so be sure to continue watching. So Charmers, to start off, we're going to go in with a little bit of skincare. The very first product is going to be Cheer Up by Farmacy. This is their brightening vitamin C eye cream. I'm going to take my ring finger and tap into the product and place it under the eyes. You don't need much, so I'm going to use it for the other eye as well. Tapping motions, I'm just tapping this eye cream onto the eye area in a C-type formation because this is really going to hydrate the eye area and prep us before we put on our makeup. So now that our eye cream has been applied, I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of my complexion products off camera, and then we'll be back to continue with the full box look. Charmers, now that my base is on, we can move on to the eyes. The next product that I can't wait to show you is a brush set, and it is by Luna Magic. And this is their Blended Girl Eye Makeup Brush Set. So let's have a look at all the brushes inside. And this set comes with 4 brushes, and I cannot wait to show you the next product up, and it is by Hipdot, and this is the Zion palette. We are going to be using this for our eyes today, along with the brushes that I just showed you. But before we jump into the eye look, can we just take a moment and appreciate how beautiful these colors are? They're just absolutely stunning. I feel like they're perfect for any time of the season, but specifically for fall, there's some really inspirational colors in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a base to my lids before we get started with today's tutorial. You could use any concealer that you have at home. Today I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer. So picking up the fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna go in with a transition color. The very first shade up is going to be Sandstone. So I'm just going to buff it right into this transition area, and I'm just blending that product all the way through, and this is going to be the perfect foundation for all of our colors to lay on top of, because we really want it to be a lot easier for the more intense colors to blend out. To add some warmth into the transition, I'm going to go in with the shade Cannon. And again, just buffing that right into the transition area, but right essentially where that crease is kind of where you want to fixate that color. But you want to make sure that you pack this color right into that crease area because it's going to give us a really nice gradient. So we're just continuing to blend this color up and outwards, but be sure not to add additional product because we really just want to lightly diffuse and blend out this shade. Now to add a little bit more of a burgundy tone into the outer corner of the eye, I'm going to take this shade over here, which is called Maroon. And remember, I'm still using the same blending brush. And I'm just placing it right into the outer corner of the eye in a patting motion, and then we're gonna slightly blend out and bringing that right into the crease. Moving right along to the next shade, and we're gonna be using the shade Virgin, and that will be our lid shade. And I'm taking the shade Virgin on this yellow brush. If you want to intensify your metallic shades, you can always spray your brush with a little bit of setting spray. And I'm creating a dome shape on the lids. So I'm just tapping on the shade Virgin because we really want to intensify this shade. We don't want to diffuse it, so we're not going to be blending it out too much. But I absolutely love how reflective and beautiful this shade is. For the second lid shade up, I'm going to use the shade Angel's Landing. And I'm picking it up on the same brush, and I'm going to put it on the outer area of the lid. And again, in tapping motions. And this shade is absolutely stunning. Take a look at that. And we're slightly bringing the shade over, and we are just going to diffuse any harsh lines by blending those two colors out together. So now I'm going to take the orange brush in this set from Luna Magic and use the shade Maroon for the lower lash line. Really love a cranberry smoky eye for the fall, and this palette helps me achieve that. It makes me so happy. And I am loving this color scheme and the look I was able to achieve with these colors. I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes and mascara off camera, and then we'll be back to continue with the rest of the products. So now that the eye look is complete and my lashes are on, we can move on to the next product up, and it's going to be a lip product. It's going to be a pretty daring color, so I cannot wait to show all of you. And this product is by Hank & Henry Beauty, and this is the Te Amo lipstick. Let's go ahead and push it down to bring the lipstick out. It's such a cute component. I absolutely love it. But the best part has to be the lipstick itself. Take a look at how beautiful that is. There's these beautiful shimmers on the outside of the lipstick. However, it is a cream formula, so let's go ahead and put this on the lips. So Charmers, here is the shade Te Amo on me, and I absolutely love this shade. It's super, super vibrant. I love the intense red color, and it's just so comfortable on the lips. And again, this is a cream formula, so don't let the sparkle on the outside fool you. Here is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the look that I've created today. It's very reminiscent of fall, and I think it's perfect for the month of September. I cannot wait to see all of your looks with your Boxycharm box this month. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I cannot wait to see you all in a future video very, very soon. Until next time, all the best, Charmers. Bye-bye.